Hello guys, welcome to Yebo Tutor live tutorials. We are here live from Nelson Mandela University, Beskale Station, which is in the Center for Broadband Communication. My name is James. I'm here on behalf of the Yebo Tutor team to give you a brief of how this whole program works. So for today, as you had seen from our we posted something on WhatsApp. So there was a post on WhatsApp which was saying we are going to be having mathematics today. So we decided first we do our housekeeping issues. And so for today, we just want to highlight how we are going to use this platform. So to begin with, we have on the channel description a Zoom link. So what the whole idea is for you guys to be part of this whole process. We want you to communicate to us what your challenges or problems are, the ones that you face as you study. If there are some questions that you generally have tried out and you are not really sure if the solution is correct or you are not getting to the proper solution. So we are here to assist. We'll be discussing those, seeing where we make errors or where we are missing a few concepts. So this is basically it. You are going to be using the chat box on the comment section of our YouTube channel. We'll be reading those and assisting you in real time. Or for those that are comfortable with Zoom, we advise you also to use the link to our Zoom platform where you can call in and your colleagues can even hear you ask the question and we'll respond to those questions likewise. So also we will also try and take questions or queries from our WhatsApp platform. So for those of you that are comfortable with using WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp your questions from the group platform and we'll take them from there and address them on this channel. So we are here for you and we'll be covering different topics, different sections in your mathematics, mainly focused on grade 11 and grade 12 type of questions. So mathematics and physical science. So for physical science, we'll do physics and chemistry components separately. So the team will involve me, James, and we have Fuyani, and we have Nyasha. So this is the team that you'll be seeing more oftenly in the studio. And if ever we have any other guests that will join us, you'll see them as we go. So this is courtesy of Prof. Tim Gibbon, a physics professor at the Nelson Mandela University in the physics department. So we have him as our mentor, and he is in charge of this whole program. So feel free, guys. We expect you to coordinate with us to participate and also tell us where we can improve or how best we can assist you. That way you will get the most out of this whole exercise. So that's it for now. I think we can be getting ready for our maths introduction. But before I go into that, the screen that you are seeing has got different segments. So in the first segment is the question that is the window to your left. It shows the question screen. So all the questions will be shown from there. We have our questions cast from that part of the screen. So you'll be reading or seeing, referencing from the questions on that part of the screen. Whatever questions that we would have, would present them from there. But we are flexible. We can even show them from our our board, which is in this case the screencast where we do our calculations. So we can even show questions from this part. But rarely would we do that. Mainly would prefer it's easier if we read the question, and mainly what we have here is the answers. So we will present the methodology, the steps, leading to the final solution, like that on this screen. So this is basically how we are gonna function. If ever anyone would call, we might be having our the caller shown from this other third window. But basically, we expect most of our questions, you might not see the questions asked, but for those that will be on, if you check on the chat box, if the question is presented from the chat box, you'll be able to read those questions. Then the ones from Zoom, you'll be able to hear the audio also from your colleagues. So the work exercise is for you to benefit. The more you ask questions, the more you are helped, and that sticks in your memory. That goes a long way, sticking in your memory, and it will help you remember when assessment time comes. That is for your tests and exams, right? So please feel free. This is a free community, but most importantly, we expect much of Ubuntu, mutual respect among you guys as users. So if ever there is any comment that you need to make on someone's answer or contribution, please, we expect you to do that with utmost respect. And also avoid any explicit or informal language, so that we keep the whole system simple, but at least a bit formal. So that is what we would expect of you. Everything else we'll address as we go. So it's also a learning curve for you guys, but I'm sure you have used much of these systems before, and there shouldn't be much of a hassle. So we'll also have a Facebook, a live Facebook streaming. So for those of you that would prefer us move or shift to Facebook, you can also indicate from our group. We'll also see which is the best way of getting through to you. So it will basically be the same system, but we will, if possible, be able to stream from both this platform and on our YouTube page, on our Facebook page, I mean to say. So that's about it from me, guys. We'll just take a short break as we wait for Vuyani to take over and tell us what he had prepared for us. So if there are any of you, I saw one person connected and left. Who was that one? Can you just type something on our chat box? Can you just type something, even a simple hi? That will be appreciated. Let's see who is connected. And we would want to know who you guys are. Please, be it here or when we meet, when you just on your free time in our WhatsApp platform, you can introduce yourself, tell us who you are, at what level you are learning, and your favorite topic. And that is your favorite topic in mathematics, your favorite topic on the physics part of physical science, and in the chemistry part of physical science. And you can also give us the one that you have found most challenging, the one you would want us to look at together. That way, I'm sure we can get to know each other better and see how best we can go through this program. So that is it from me, guys. No one has sent a comment as yet, but that's okay. I'm sure you will see and be able to follow from what we've discussed so far as you guys prepare for the brief math session that's following. So we're gonna be taking just a short break and we'll be resuming in a few minutes.